Mastering the essentials. Nail down the basics. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, nail down the basics. Understanding this phrase is not just about adding new words to your vocabulary. It's about grasping a concept that is crucial for learners in any field. So, let's explore what it means to truly nail down the basics and why it's so important. The phrase, nail down the basics, combines two key ideas. First, nail down means to secure something firmly or to finalize something. It implies making something clear, certain, or established beyond doubt. Second, the basics refers to the fundamental principles or foundational elements of any subject or activity. When we put these together, nail down the basics means to thoroughly understand and master the fundamental elements of a subject or skill. It's about ensuring you have a solid foundation upon which you can build more complex knowledge or abilities. Mastering the basics is crucial for several reasons. 1. Strong foundation. Just like building a house, learning any new skill requires a strong foundation. Without a solid grasp of the basics, advancing to more complex concepts becomes much harder. 2. Confidence boost. Knowing the basics well gives you confidence. You'll feel more prepared to tackle challenges and advanced topics. 3. Efficient learning. With a firm understanding of the fundamentals, you can learn new concepts more quickly and effectively because you can easily connect new information to what you already know. 4. Problem solving. Many complex problems can be broken down into simpler, basic elements. If you've nailed down the basics, you're better equipped to analyze and solve complex problems. Here are some tips to help you master the fundamentals. 1. Identify the fundamentals. Understand what the basics are for your subject. If you're not sure, ask a teacher, mentor, or look for resources that outline these foundational elements. 2. Practice regularly. Mastery comes with practice. Regular, deliberate practice of basic skills reinforces your knowledge and skills. 3. Seek feedback. Getting feedback from instructors or peers can help you correct mistakes and solidify your understanding. 4. Teach others. Explaining concepts to others is a powerful way to reinforce your own understanding. It can also highlight areas where you might need further study. We hope this video helps you understand the importance of nailing down the basics in any field of study or area of life. Remember, mastery of the fundamentals is the key to unlocking your full potential and achieving greater success. Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't hesitate to ask questions. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.